we got a potential candidate. Bunkhouse. So that means we wouldn't need to upgrade for a while because it's got a bunkhouse.
Mm-hmm. Fairly new oven.
Yeah.
Decent sink. The fridge, I would probably.
I like a black dude.
Like the generator dude. Yeah, we can eat and get some pillow stick.
You said about a queen.
Sofa turned into a bed, but we'll put a new sofa there.
Try not to touch nothing. It's cute, right?
What y'all think?
Okay, it's cute.
It is cute. I think it's cute. It's petite.
Nick.
Huh?
What's in there?
You can look.
Okay. That was nice.
Yeah, when they put that thing on track, that mother should go back up. Watch that cord.
What's going on, man? You ready to put the motor on?
It's a bunk room.
It's a buffer. Yeah, you need those right there. Mom, look
Which
at
one
this
y'all like the
bed. This one.
Which one y'all like the best? Which one you like the best?
The other one was a little bit too
That was
small.
I think it was a perfect size.
No. Yeah, I like this one better.
I think it's all about perspective. Just like y'all say the tent was huge. Oh, it do flip around.
I tried to flip it. To the camp.
And then I saw y'all little slide that little window right there.
So yes, behind us you see the new addition to our family. You feel me? So right now he's just putting the motor on for the slide. Once you put that motor on, we do want to get the gas for the generator so that we can get everything turned on and see how it works, the water and everything, make sure everything is functionable. Once we do that,
This one got some good
and then we're gonna talk numbers.
This one got some good ceiling too. Where that ladder at? You said we can look at the roof. Oh, we ain't even. Let me see something. Naya, knock that other side. Do this to that other side. Knock and see if it's hard.
Power?
Yeah. See if it's hard. I ain't even checking. It was on.
What's this spot right here?
Which spot?
Right before, keep going, no, go about right there. You see how I was dipping in right there? Say solid?
Yeah, solid. What it is it's plywood.
Uh-huh.
And sometimes they use a thin plywood, so you'll see some flex. But what you're seeing up here, this is an oval roof. So it's like this, so the water could run off. No, this didn't have no water damage inside.
No
the only
water.
thing that was going on was it was missing the slide motor,
Mm-hmm.
and it needs to be painted inside. And that's it. He's messing with it now, so he's getting the slide to work. Now the slide works manually, but you need a special little tool for it.
Yeah. So he's just putting the motor on so we won't have to deal with all that.
Yeah, it's electric. It's meant to be electric.
Yeah.
Now you got electric awning on this too, but again, it needs a tarp. But it is a power awning.
Okay.
How that work?
How much an awning usually
By knowledge,
cost?
I mean, I honestly never seen it.
How much does an awning unit usually cost?
You know what? Even just for the tarp, it could be $600-700.
600-700? See, and we can take that extra 200, you know, you sell it to us for 8, we take the 200 and put it towards an
That'd
awning.
be nice. Wouldn't that be nice?
You know? That's good customer service. That's love, though,
That
man.
is love.
You know?
Gotta grow up.
Oh no! Nice little grass pop.
This is off. So this is at wood hot water heater. This is electric. This
Water.
is this is your water pump. Typically, if you got water in the sink, you turn that on, flip on that.
Now to heat up the water.
That'll heat up the water. Now you can do it by propane, or electric. Propane is faster. Electric is cheaper. Propane costs money.
Yeah.
It's expensive.
Oh.
Uh,
Alright, so we think we found the one. Still needs work done to it. However, based off of what we've been seeing, it's probably the best deal that we're gonna get because these prices are going up too fast for us to keep up with. So we went to the bank. We got the shmoney.
Big fat hundreds.
And yeah.
Now, of course, I took my cup for
sometimes
counting
you
their
don't
money.
even know. Sometimes the bank will give you a fake bill. You know that?
For real?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
It's-
But you gotta. He said he was giving us that cover too, right?
Yeah.